Okay, I want to show you how to take this crank with a crank puller. It's actually the tool that I'm going to use for that. It's a Park Tool CWP-7, I believe. And then I'm going to use like a Unior, which is a Slovenian combination wrench. I'm going to use that 15 millimeter for the end part of the Park Tool. And then I'm going to use an 8 millimeter to take off the hex head that's inside of there. So the first part of this is just taking this Unior combination tool. It has a 15 millimeter open end and a 6 and an 8 hex head. I'm going to put it into there. And I'm going to spin that around and take that nut out of there so that I can get the Park Tool crankshaft puller in there. So these kind of make life really easy. Just use this Unior 8 millimeter hex head. Take that hex head nut right out of this VanMoof. Pull that off, and once I get this out of the way, let's see, is there a washer? There's a little washer in there as well. So that's off. The next thing I do is take the Park Tool, screw it all the way in there, and once it gets in far enough, then I'll take that 15 millimeter and tighten it there, and that'll pull it right out. So we'll take the 15 millimeter, and so this is going to push inside, and it's going to easily, boom, it's that easy.